Hey T-Bone, can you ask your mom can we go to town?
Yeah, well, come on,
You'll see. Hit it. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, checking it twice. He's going.